Overtime, keep it going. Overtime, off the bench. Overtime, I prevail. Overtime, it's time. Overtime, another shot. Overtime, it's my block. Overtime, I'm gonna rebound. Overtime, get fouled. Overtime.
Boss man right there, you feel me?
Chris told me to, make some plays, and they have trust in me, and I just want to make a play.
What do you see on that when you finally pull up? What are you thinking there when the time comes to pull up? Pretty confident?
I'm always confident in my shot, but it kind of felt weird. It kind of felt, kind of contorted, but I got up high enough and it just went right in.
That was a weird game for you guys. I mean, you had 4 fouls for the last 10 minutes. I mean, that whole first half. How were you guys able to turn that around?
During the game, we flipped it around. We had like 19 to 6 turnover points. We beat them on that. We got beat on the boards. And, when we needed to rebound, we got stops. But during the game, we flipped it. We started pressuring and started getting about their game.
How much did that help?
It helped a lot. With Chris, Jorden up front, length, and then they're speeding up the game. They're slow, big speed. We really sped them up and turning it in our direction.
What's that feel like when you hit that? You're pumping your fist as you scream. You've done that before. What's that feel?
Especially on the road, man. It feels so good. Look at every single crowd member out there. Just look at them. Just look down at themselves. They thought they had the game, and you know, we stole from them.
What was going wrong offensively in the first half? You guys really couldn't get a whole lot going, not a lot of ball movements.
I feel like we weren't sharing the ball. We came out last days ago. You know, we thought, you know, we'd beat them by 20 at home. It's gonna be the same thing, and you know, it wasn't. And we had to make changes, and we made our rebound.
You probably already answered this, but was it you were just going to take the ball at the end and make something out of it?
You know, we ran a play. You know, we ran this play. You know, during the
ball. Man, I play sports.
late
Overtime.
game, and you know,
Felt
I just
pressure.
wanted the ball, and
Yeah, I came in.
just to make a
Overtime.
play. You know, I hit
Boy fell out.
winners
Then
already.
he put me out. Overtime.
It's a good number.
Make the race call.
Now 3. What's it, when you're on the road like this, you got a couple days off now. What's the difference between walking off with a win and walking off with a loss and having 2 different things?
You know, we're still trying to fight for seed, and
Now we waiting.
you know, we would have been really sick
Get in.
if we lost
Overtime.
this, especially like last year.
Game
We
has
got
ties.
bad.
What you mean?
And you know, we really want this. And, it's great to come out there with a win, though.
Different feeling going
Yeah.
into Stanford this year then? You guys swept them 2 years ago and then last year you got swept.
Yeah, you know, different. You know, it's a totally different team. You know, they're really big, and it's gonna be a senior night, so you know, we gotta really play tough, and we can't start out how we start out this game. You know, we gotta start out with energy and intensity, and you know, we gotta rebound faster.
What's that like when I'm pretty sure everyone in the gym knew you were going to have the ball there?
You know, it's a lot of pressure, but you know, I don't feel the pressure at all. And, you know, I work on those type of shots, you know, every day before practice, and you know, I just feel confident.
Are you surprised you were able to get an opportunity to get a shot off clean?
A little bit. You know, the guy who's guarding me, he was pretty close, and you know, if I faked it right and pulled it back left, he was gonna bite on it. He was gonna bite on anything, and you know, I had a chance to shoot it.
Can you talk a little bit about Chris and what he meant tonight? I think he finished with like 18.
Man, yeah, you know, he was guarding, you know, he was making shots, taking it to the hoop. You know, he's the one that brought us back in the game. I just finished it.
Off the bench.
It was all about Chris. It was, you know,
Overtime.
you know, he was being energetic and you know, fighting through, and you know, he really gave us energy.
Overtime. I'm gonna rebound. Overtime. Get foul. Overtime.